Getting through 2020 has required a lot of us to change in direction and become flexible in ways we had not imagined. Anyway, the year is almost coming to an end. Uh, it's that time of the year where we start thinking, planning, and setting goals for the upcoming new year. But the stats is really depressing. Only 8% of the people achieve their resolutions every year, and 25% of them stop working towards it just after a week. So I'm going to help you to find new ways of sticking to your goals, and let's make 2021 goal list a reality. Let's start the video. Before that, hi beautiful minds, I'm Kritika. Welcome to HowToTuber family. I make videos on how to questions. Please subscribe to my channel. Reviewing your goals and objectives. Before you start thinking about the next year, you should think about how last year went for you. When you look back, you find areas you succeeded in and areas that need to be worked on in the next year. You should also think about the goals you achieved, the successes you had, the struggles you encountered, and more. Then think about what you wish you could have done better and areas you struggled with. This is the first step. This helps you to be in a position to figure out what you need to do in the upcoming year to make it successful. Make sure your goals are smart. A smart goal is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic or relevant, and time. What's your goal? Is it specific or too broad? What you need to do in order to achieve that goal, and why do you want to achieve that goal? How will you measure your progress? How will you know you're on track? Can your goal be achieved? Can you achieve your goal? Is the goal worth it? What's your time frame to reaching your goal? This is extremely important while setting your goals because it makes your goals realistic and attainable. Write down your goals and objectives. Writing down your business and personal goals for the next year is a crucial step in goal setting. Completing this step helps you to remember what's your goal and why you want to achieve it. If the goal is not in front of you on a regular basis, it's most likely that you'll forget it, and once when you forget the goal, it's very hard to achieve it. Either you're creating a posters in your room or creating a blog to detail your progress, or placing reminders on your phone or calendar, or making to-do lists. Anything, follow anyway, but please do write down. Create a plan to reach your goal. If you want to stay motivated with the goal, then first thing you need to do is to create a plan to achieve that goal. A plan helps you to focus on the steps you need in order to reach the goal instead of feeling like you're all over the place. Your plan should contain detailed steps like what will happen when you reach each step, how and when you'll track the progress, and more. A detailed plan can help you achieve the goal faster and makes you successful. Keeping track of your goal setting progress and make changes if needed. To stay motivated with your goals and be successful with them, it's important to review your progress every so often. You can check in daily, weekly, or monthly depending upon what type of goal you have and what works for you. Keeping track of goals is a good idea because it can tell you what you need to do in order to achieve the goal, whether or not you are behind or any changes are needed in it. Find small ways to stick to your goal. Many people will fall off the track when it comes to goals, because the steps that are needed to achieve the goal might seem too big. This can cause to ignore the goal completely because of laziness or tiresome or any other reason. We all have that off days and forget our goal, but finding these small ways to stick to our goals can be really amazing. For example, if you don't want to work out or if you don't feel like working out, you can try swimming, cycling, or playing badminton, or also doing jumping jacks while watching TV. Try these ways and let me know how it helped you in your goal setting process, and also do post your how to questions in the comment box. I'll be happy to do videos on them. Before leaving, wishing you all a very happy new year ahead. May this 2021 bring you peace, joy and happiness. Take care guys. Bye.